Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question, check if strings can be made equal with operations 1. Okay, let me explain with this example. S1 is ABCD, S2 is CDAB. First, let's understand the problem. We are given two strings, S1 and S2, both of length 4. The operation we are allowed to do is choose any two indices, I and j, such that j minus I equal 2. Then swap the two characters at those indices in the string. So for example, if we pick index 0, so let's say this is I. In that case, we can swap character at index 2. So this should be j, because we have this condition. So j is 2 minus I is index 0, so that is 2, right? And how about another example? So if we pick index 1 as I, so in that case, we can swap character at only index 3. So this should be j, because 3 minus 1 equal 2. So also, we can apply this operation to both like S1 and S2 independently. So question is, can we make S1 and S2 equal? Okay, here is the most important point. We can swap characters that are two-part, right? So index 2 and index 0, and index 3 and index 1, because we have this condition, I minus j equal 2. So let me ask you, can we swap index 0 and index 1? The answer is no, right? What about index 0 and index 3? No, right? How about index 1 and index 2? The answer is no. So here is a key insight. The even indices, index 0 and index 2, and the odd indices, index 1 and index 3, form completely independent groups. A character at even indices can never move to odd indices, and vice versa. These two groups are totally isolated from each other. So this is a core intuition that unlocks the problem. Now let's use that intuition to build our solution. What do we need for S1 and S2 to become equal? So let's focus on even group first. The characters at index 0 and index 2 in S1, so A and C, can be arranged in any order using swaps. And the same goes for S2, so C and A. But here is the thing. We can't change which characters are in the even group, only their order. So if S1 even group and S2 even group have same characters, we can always rearrange them to match. The exact same logic applies to odd group. So the condition becomes really simple. The even group characters must match, and odd group characters must match. If both cases are true, we should return true. If not, we should return false. So for example, from S1, so even character should be A and C. And from S2, even character should be C and A. So if we sort AC and sort CA, so we will get same string, right? So this is true. And how about the odd case? So sort B and D equal sort D and B. So we will get same string, right? BD. So this case also true. So both cases are true. So in that case, we should return true in this case. That is a basic idea to solve this question. So let's jump into the code. Okay, let's write the code. Actually, this is a one-liner. So return sorted and S1, and we can jump 2, right? So colon 2 equal sorted S2 and colon colon 2. So this is an even case, and sorted S1 start from index 1 colon colon and jump to jump like this equal sorted S2 and 1 start from index 1 colon colon to jump. Yeah, actually that's it. So let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be O1. So even though we are using sorting, we are only sorting 2 characters at each time. Since the size never changes, it considered constant time O1. And the space also O1, I think. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. Please support me with actions such as comment and hitting like button. I'll see you in the next question.